Welcome to Warrior Work. This is the final section of the Tai Chi Fan. We're going to kind of compress a couple of sections here just to bring it all together. And we're going to start with showing you the last two parts from where we ended last time. If you remember, we ended with a punch and a thrust, and we're going to do a little shuffle step with the fan opening. Then we're going to have 4 wave hands like clouds. Wave hands like clouds is the outward circle with the left hand, inward circle with the right hand, as we shuffle to our left, and we open the fan each time. So 3 and 4. Simple enough. The outward circle, inward circle continues, and like in one of the sections before, we now change the angle to, remember there's 12 o'clock to our 45, big outward circle right, stepping back to 7:30, big inward circle left, right hand comes aside, push down, thrust. This time we're not bringing the knee up. We slap down in cast stance. And this next movement is really challenging for a lot of people because I've got my weight on my right foot, left leg is fairly empty, but I'm going to have to bounce to do a hop step with the right foot, then the left foot thrust. Okay, so it'll take some practice. You'll find that probably is a little awkward for you. Again, we have to jump forward to the right foot and then left foot thrust. We're going to palm upward with our left hand as we sink back, right hand circling. And I'm going to bring my right arm up through the rib as I bring my right knee up, striking back down. From here, I'm going to step behind with my left foot as I thrust up, left hand trapping down. Step out and open. And again, here's a fun little part that you need to work by itself for a while. We're going to let the fan jump over to the left hand, close, come up, and sink. So I'll show that all from the other positions so you can follow along. So if you remember, we came around, we had a kick, punch, and a thrust, and then we do a little shuffle, open the fan up, close, and then we have 4 outward circle, inward circle, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The outward circle, inward circle continues. We change directions. Again, now this is my 12 o'clock coming up. Back to 7:30. Thrust. Left hand underneath the rib. Pull down, whip the fan, cast stance. Again, the weight's on the right leg. We're going to hop though with the right foot first. Step out, thrust. Palm up, right hand sweeps back, knee up, pop down. Step behind left, thrust up, open, left hand pops, closes, step up, and sink down. Each of those pieces, again, you need to work by themselves. This movement, take a slice up through the rib, straight down into the groin, very quick. But again, everything in Tai Chi can be done slow or fast. You want the changing of the speeds, yin and yang. But the key is to relax the muscles, use your tendons and ligaments to keep your bones aligned, and you let the weapon do the force for you. Or in some cases, the weapon being your bones. Sun Tzu talks about how the speed of a falcon diving, or the speed of a hawk diving, doesn't move its claws except for a very short distance. But its weight, its momentum, and its speed is what does the work for it. So when our body's relaxed, when we let our emotions travel, we get the power from the movements, from the structure of what we're using. So it really is a study of physics, and for Tai Chi, really it's important to be using your body as a science lab. Okay, I'm going to go through the entire form from the start to the finish, so you can follow along. Relax, sink, step left, rise, fall, shift right, shift left. Again, I'm stepping back to 4:30 and ward off to white crane raised wings, inward circle, and brush knee thrust, turn, catch the ball. Again, I'm going to 130, heart the wall, horse's mane, set. We're going to step. We have 4 thrusts. 1, 2, 3, 4 thrust has the bow stance. 4. We come over the top and strike. Left hand above the head. Open the fan. Close. Outward circle, inward circle. This is where we're going back to our 730 position. Outward circle, big inward circle, and knee up. Step, lift, clear, thrust. Left hand comes to the side, deflect upward, and push, right hand above the side. Drop the hands, outward left, inward right, outward inward, circle, thrust, kick, punch, send. Shuffle, close, 4 outward circle, inward circle, wave hands like clouds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, big outward circle, inward circle. Come over, big outward circle, and bow stance thrust. Come over, again, weights on the right leg, jump with that right foot first. Bow stance, upward, slap up, strike down, step behind left, strike up, open, jump the fan, close it, step up. How's that? And there's the entire Tai Chi Fan form for you. Again, each piece is like a part of a puzzle. Work on each piece, put it with the next piece, together it all becomes the form. Again, it's a step-by-step process. There are no advanced techniques. There are only advanced basics and how you weave them together with your intention. Thank you, and we'll see you next time in Warrior Work.